Hello, John Krause from Next Key Real Estate here, and we've got a tremendous listing coming on in Bridgton, Maine, located right off of Route 302, just near the village area. We've got a home that was originally made by Sears and Roebuck. Actually, this is really cool. You got to check this out. Houses by mail. This was originally a home that you could basically get by mail. Originally built in 1922, the owner has put a tremendous effort in rehabilitating the home, along with the help of Sears and Roebuck. So I want you to take a tour of this place, check it out, let me know what you think, and then we'll see you at the end. Appreciate you coming by to take a look at the house. This is a wonderful opportunity to own not only a piece of history, but it's restored in real good perfection currently. Reach out to us if you have questions or interests. Our information will be in the video or in the wherever you're watching this, and we would love to get you into this home. You have a great day.